Ooh, oh, The night was quiet, but my heart was loud. You turned away, I couldn't make a sound. Your eyes said everything words can never say. Love was fading while I begged it to stay. And I knew right then something broke inside, like a song that ends before the final line. It's the way you said goodbye, soft and trembling like the end of time. Every breath you took was a tear in my soul. Every whisper burned like letting go. You didn't cry, you didn't plead, you just turned and left me there to bleed. And I'll never forget the sound, the way you said goodbye.